Put your credit card down. Don't you buy another thing without using this website. Why would you spend money and number one, not get money back and missing out on the opportunity to actually make money at the same time? Just stop what you're doing right now because I'm going to be showing you this website that's going to help you do all of that plus more. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel and we talk about all things money. Speaking of money, who doesn't want to save money while they're spending their money? Whether you're watching this during the holiday season or it's just a regular Wednesday and you're thinking about swiping your card again, before you do that, you need to know about this. If you ever find yourself shopping at any of these stores like Target, Urban Outfitters, Wayfair, Bloomingdale's, Neiman Marcus, then you definitely need to know about this website. So before you go out and using your credit card on purchases that you will be paying full price for, you need to sign up here because not only are you going to be able to earn cash back, which is like getting an extra discount, but you'll also be able to earn money. And we'll talk about that more in a second. You might not think that earning cash back is a big deal, but when you're making big purchases, like over $1,000, that means you could be getting over $100 back. Or even if you're making a smaller purchase, like something that's $100, then you could be getting back up to like $15. So this is a great way to be smart while shopping and making sure that you're being diligent with your money. So this website is called Chirpist, and it's a way that you can earn a passive income and also get extra discounts while you're shopping. You're able to earn 30% cash back when you shop using Chirpist. They have so many different brands from beauty and fashion that you'll be able to find something that you love and can shop for. All you have to do is download the Google extension and it's 100% free. So you'll be able to shop and save without even having to think about it. You probably heard the saying that a dollar saved is a dollar earned, and yes, that's true. But I know what you're thinking. How do I actually make money with this website? And of course, I'm going to explain all that to you. Hold on just a moment. I know that y'all want to get to the shopping and the saving, but before we do that, this is something fun here that we do on this channel. I want you to leave me an emoji based off of the last thing that you purchased. This is mine. Now show me yours in the comment section below. All right, now we can get back into the video. So there's basically two ways to do it. If you simply just refer a friend, so tell a friend to tell a friend that, hey girl, you need to join this website so that you can get some cash back, you're going to get $10 for everybody that you refer. But the second way is to create a curated board, and I'm going to show you what that looks like, where you put all your favorite finds, even if you haven't purchased those products. But if you see something that you like, you can add it to your board and share your board link with your friends or share it on your social media pages, even better. And you can earn money every time somebody shops what was on your board. People are going to shop anyways, so why wouldn't they love to shop and earn some cash back? And then of course, let their friends or their favorite creator get some money off of that, right? So I want to show you an example. This girl's name is Kenzo, and I believe that she is a small content creator. So look at her board, and this was featured on Chirpist. And she puts all of the things that she uses, from home decor to fashion to sneakers to even body lotions and face washes, and she promotes these things on her YouTube channel. She has a smaller channel, but she is earning money by simply, when she makes a purchase, she shows it off on her channel. So you can absolutely be doing the same thing. And again, this is a fun way that you could be earning passive income, sharing your ideas and your styles with your friends, and they can also be getting discounts too. So everybody wins in this situation. Everything that you need to know and all the links are going to be in the description box, and please check the pinned comments. All right, guys, I appreciate you for watching this video. Now, if you need some more money and you're ready to level up your finances in 2024, you need to watch these two videos here because they're going to give you some more money making tips. Okay, see you all in the next one.